Welcome back to Coding Goblin. Alpine.js is an amazing, lightweight JavaScript framework that makes our websites do some really cool stuff. So how do we install it in WordPress? Well, you're in luck because it's really easy to do. So you've got your WordPress theme. Hopefully you have a functions.php. Hopefully you've got a function that enqueues your styles and scripts. If you don't, it should look something like this. We need to come down here and we need to just simply add wp_enqueue script and then we're just going to say Alpine.js, comma, and then we're going to go to the Alpine website here, click get started, and we're just going to copy this here, and we're going to paste that in there, and we're going to put an empty array. So any scripts that you want to be enqueued before Alpine, pop in that array, but we don't really care about that. And then we're going to save it, and then we're going to go to our WordPress website, and that's it. So let's have a look at what scripts are being loaded. If I come down to the network tab here, refresh the page, hopefully we're going to see Alpine down here. There we go, it's this one here, CDN. Alpine.js loaded in WordPress. So easy. So why do we need Alpine in WordPress? Well, it will basically allow you to do some really cool stuff with your website. For those of you who, unlike me, are capable of coding a website for yourself, are capable of, just using your brain, you will know exactly what it's for. But for those of you who are like me, who like to use a UI library to do all the work for them, let's have a little look at what you can do. So looking at Tailkit, link in the description for that one if you want to check it out yourself. Plug. Let's just say we wanted to add an element that had a bit of interactivity, such as a modal. We come and find a modal here somewhere. Let's just search for it. Modal. Select one, and we'll see there's an Alpine version, so we're just going to copy that. And then if we come to our WordPress theme, you wouldn't do it like this, by the way, but this is just a terrible example I'm trying to do. Paste that in, save it, come to our website, and now because we've got Alpine installed, it's going to actually work. So look how nice that is. And that is all because of Alpine.js and Tailkit, of course. So that's the sort of thing you can achieve once you've got Alpine.js installed on your WordPress website. Now you can do that by yourself. You don't need a UI library, but it helps a lot if you use a UI library. So make of that what you want. So that was how you install Alpine on your website, on your WordPress website, should I say. Thanks for watching. The end.